BenQ is a company that offers a wide range of gaming products, but not many people know that the company also offers budget-friendly monitors under the Mobius lineup. Hey guys, my name is Chris Fernando and you're watching Gadget Voice. And today we have the Mobius EX2710 gaming monitor for an unboxing and review. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox the monitor. So as you can see, we opened the box and this is what comes inside the box. So let's start with the paperwork over here. So we have the warranty card and the usual user manual, which is here in this plastic sheet. So that's the warranty card. And that's the user manual over here. So we'll just keep this quickly aside. And the next thing that I have here is the stand that we need to fix the monitor on. Open that up as well. So as you can see, it's a triangle shaped, pyramid shaped. No, it's a triangle shaped stand with an orange accent that's going around on the side, and we need to fix the monitor on the stand. Keep that aside as well. I have an HDMI high-speed cable over here, the power cable, and the back panel plate of the LCD panel. So we will just open the LCD panel. We'll just keep this aside again. This is the monitor. It's a 27-inch monitor. So just remove the panel from the packaging. And we have the stand over here. It's quite sturdy stand, it's quite heavy as well. So we'll first fix the stand base onto the stand. So let's start with fixing the stand to the stand base. So this is the stand base over here, and this is how we fix it. And as you see at the back, you get a screw over here. You just need to tighten it up so that it sits in place. Okay, so we've fixed that now. And now what you're going to do is fix the stand to the panel. So this is how you'll need to do it. That's all it requires. It's a toolless installation. The BenQ Mobius EX2710 is a 27-inch monitor that offers a full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080 pixels. You also get an aspect ratio of 16:9, HDR functionality, and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. In terms of the user interface, we have the selector button over here. We have a toggle button which is used to select the OSD options, and we also have the power button. In terms of HDR modes, you get a few, which includes HDR, Cinema HDR-I, and Game HDR-I options. These can be accessed by using the dedicated HDR-I button on the lower right hand corner. In terms of connectivity, you get two HDMI 2.0 ports and one DisplayPort 1.2. There is also a 3.5mm audio jack and dual 2.5 watt speakers. The height of the monitor can be adjusted up to 130mm. You can also tilt the display up and down by 5 degrees and 20 degrees respectively. You can also swivel the monitor left or right by 20 degrees each. In terms of picture quality, the EX2710 offers amazing results. It is also capable of delivering a 144 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. You also get FreeSync Premium, which ensures that you won't get any tearing in gaming sessions. There's also a black equalizer for richer blacks. This adjusts the sharpness and contrast ratio to deliver true black color. This makes the gaming character stand out from a darker background. The monitor also comes with BenQ's eye care technology that reduces eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. This is done by protecting your eyes from blue light when you game for extended hours. There is also a Brightness Intelligence Plus technology which automatically adjusts the brightness and color temperature as per your ambient and lighting conditions. We did try this feature out while gaming on the monitor using the Xbox gaming console. Here we tried to mimic the lighting conditions to see how the technology works. As you can see, the Brightness Intelligence Plus technology does its job quite well. The BenQ EX2710 Mobius offers a wide range of gaming features at an affordable price point of 1449 dirhams. This monitor is for those who are looking for a performance-based gaming monitor at a pocket-friendly price. The BenQ EX2710 Mobius is an excellent all-round gaming monitor that offers a good sharpness, picture detail, contrast and reduced motion blur. If you like the video, please like and share the video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos drop.